Okay, so we are going to start with Prashant and Prachi.
Yes, sir.
So एक रोल प्ले जैसा है, प्राची आएगी और बोलेगी कुछ और देन प्रशांत हैज टू रिएक्ट.
Mm, so,
Okay, sir.
so you will
Hmm.
ask, you will come and ask me for the phone.
हम्म.
Okay.
Okay. Um, Prashant, have you seen that iPhone has launched its new version?
Yeah, I saw that yesterday. I read about it, and
I want to buy them.
you
That.
want to purchase it, but why? You
Yes,
have already iPhone 15.
but I need new one
But you have already. Why do you want to purchase new one?
because I have bought from this mobile.
You are bored. So you are every
Yes,
month you are bored. Every years you want to purchase new phone. I cannot afford that. Do you know how much did it
you
cost?
can afford. Why are you making this type of things? You can afford, na? That
Hey,
is why I am saying to you.
I'm not making whatever you said this kind of thing. I cannot afford and I don't want to purchase phone. If you want to purchase, if you have money, go with it. I don't care about, but I can't give you money. I can't help you with this.
Okay, so I will purchase it by
Ah,
selling my all jewelries.
I won't. Why will you sell your jewelry? Do you know when did you purchase
Because
this phone? Are you
yes,
mad?
I
Have you
know.
gone mad?
No, I'm not mad. The storage of this phone is very much low.
So
I
you can
want to buy
very
256 GB.
256, but it has already 128. So you can
But
delete
I need
unnecessarily
more.
thing.
You
You
know,
can.
na, whenever I go somewhere, I click pictures and make video. So the storage is filling day by day.
So you can delete unnecessarily thing. Why do you click every day? You don't have to do. You're watching
No, in
Insta
my
reel,
mobile,
downloading those videos. It's unnecessarily thing. It's trivial thing. Why do you do that? I can't
in
afford you,
my
and I
mobile,
won't let you.
everything is important. Nothing is unnecessary.
See, be pragmatic, okay? It is unnecessary,
I
and I
am
won't help you. I won't
practical,
let
but
you
I
purchase.
want to buy a new mobile.
No, it's
That's
just
it.
a airy fairy. I won't let you do that thing. If you
I
want to
will do
purchase,
it.
go earn money. It's hard earned money. Do you know how much
You
your
are earning
father?
money for me.
I'm not earning
Tell
for
me
you.
for whom
I
you are
have
earning money. For
no.
me, na.
I'm not earning money for you only. Okay, I know you're my wife. I have many things to do in my whole. I'm saddled with responsibility. Do you know I have to pay children?
As a husband,
That
as a
listen,
husband,
listen,
you
listen.
should fulfill my all the dreams.
Okay, as a husband, why should I care about only your dreams? You are not. You are such a callous person. You're not caring about me, how much I put effort, how much I do. As you know that I'm saddled with many responsibility. I have to pay 6 month children fees. I have not
Prashant,
paid
I
for
am
six
feeling
months.
that you are going to be greedy day by day by
Of,
just saving money, saving money, saving money.
of course, I should be greedy because we don't know what's going to happen next. What if I need anything in the future? Who is going to help me? You're not earning,
But we have
sitting at the
enough
home
saving
like
in.
idle, not doing.
Listen,
You want
listen. We
every
have
month phone.
enough saving. We have enough saving.
No, we don't have enough saving. If we had enough saving, I wouldn't have to worry about the children's fees. I have not paid, you know it very well. I have not paid children's fees for 6 months. I'm getting every day call from the tuition, college, school. What should I do? You are sitting idle
Okay,
every month.
so
You
you
want
are
to, I can't help you with this. This is my final
okay.
point.
So you are saying that only you are important. If you are earning money, that it's mean you are important. There is nothing. There is no my role in our daily life or in our family.
No, no, it's not. There isn't role in. There isn't any of your role. Okay, you're not doing anything. Just cooking,
I am
feeding us.
also
That's
a
all.
working woman.
No, you're
I
not
used
working.
to do
How
a
where do
lot
you
of
work?
household chores. So I
Uh,
need phone.
you do only household chores, and you want to purchase every month phone. I cannot
Not
help
every
you. You
month.
know, every
Okay.
month you purchased this phone 2 months ago. When you
So
purchased, you were just pestering me up. You were aggravating me. I need phone. I need phone every day. In you did not eat even for a week. You
I
fell
need
down. You fainted down for
okay.
this phone.
Same. I need new phone. That's it. Don't
I
argue
can't
with
help you
me.
with that.
Okay.
I am not gonna to give you money. Do what the hell you want to do. I'm fed up with you, with your phone.
Okay.
with your
Okay,
argument. You
okay.
are
You
such
are
a
saying
callous
that.
person.
Oh, so okay. I leave your home.
Go. I don't care about you. Go away.
You don't
Go.
care
You
about
had
me.
better go
You
away. Yes,
don't
I
care
don't
about
care.
our children.
I care about my children. That's why I'm working day in, day out. I'm
How will
burning
you manage?
midnight oil.
Tell me. Tell
I'm.
me. How will you manage?
I will manage.
At
I
home,
have
you
been
sit only
managing.
one place,
Every
and
week
I
you are
serve
sick.
you food. I
Every week.
serve. I do only. I do all the household chores.
See, those are the petty things I can do. I'm well enough. Okay, God
If you
have
can do,
bestowed me with
why you
with
not
two
do?
hands, with two
Why
legs.
you not do? Tell me.
I like you are every month. God, as I said, that God have bestowed me with two hands, two legs. I can make food. I can make food. I can feed children. I can dress
Listen.
them up. I can
Before.
do each and everything. You are every week. You have a headache, earache. Every week you have. Every week you are sick. Then who cooks? I make food,
I.
right? I feed children. I dress them up.
Before marriage, you
I
promised
doll
me
them up.
that you
I
will
can't help
fulfill
it.
all my dreams.
I can't fulfill your
Why
all
you
dreams.
made wrong promises with me?
Then why did you purchase like before this phone? You have purchased 15 iPhone 15. Before this, you purchased Redmi, and that was really janky. You purchased. You asked your father for the money, and you purchased that phone. It was really janky. You tarnished it. You said, "I want to discard it." Then I can't help you with that. You have to
Listen,
understand. Be very
I
steady.
I expend money only in purchasing mobile, not in other things. Other women's used to purchase a lot of jewelries, but I can't na.
So you could have also
I
asked
like
for the
only
jewelry.
mobile.
You could have also asked for the jewelry. I'm not gonna
Okay, okay. Mind blowing. Guys, how did you like it?
Awesome.
Good, sir. Good, sir.
Okay.
Oh my God, Prashant, hold.
Very well
They both
performed by
seems to be real husband
a
wife.
real husband wife,
Yeah.
and wives seemed to be as if like she was the girlfriend, like she seemed in
Yes.
that way. वादा क्यों किया था, प्रॉमिस किया मैं तो लूंगी, you know.
She was
God,
teasing.
God. And like there was no such ego. एक होता है ना वाइफ है कि अच्छा तू नहीं देगा मैं चल मांगूंगी नहीं तुझसे. That ego was not there. लड़के लूंगी लूंगी तो जरूर, तो that was good.
Being your wife.
Yeah. ऐसे कई जगह होता है ना, आजकल की जो वाइफ्स है वो तुरंत कहती ठीक है चल तू नहीं देगा ठीक है, आई डोंट वांट टू बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू, मैं कुछ कर लूंगी, थोड़ा एक ईगो आ जाता है.
वैसे प्रशांत को भी जरूरत नहीं थी, ये भी खुद बनाता खाना वाना.
या तो गुड वन, अच्छा रहा. और प्रशांत के अच्छे वो कैब्स लाइक सैडल्ड विद यूज़ किया,
डिसगार्डेड किया,
बहुत सारे अच्छे,
प्रेग्मेटिक किया,
प्रैग्मेटिक,
प्रेग्मेटिक किया,
बहुत सारे
फेरी
अच्छे.
फेरी.
तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी, इस तरीके से वर्ड यूज़ करना चाहिए कि अचानक बीच में आ जाए. ये नहीं
Callous, I
है ना
used
कि
the
ईडीएम से
word
भर दो
callous.
कहानी को, ऐसा नहीं.
हाँ.
तो ये फीडबैक है
Callous.
बहुत अच्छा. और इस बच्ची की भी
Yes, sir.
तारीफ कि बालिका ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. शी इज़ वेरी न्यू टू दिस बैच
Yes.
and she has given a great takkar to Prashant, so it's good thing.
I think she is from
Thank you, sir.
Bihar.
Both of them
No.
performed
No.
very well.
And
Okay.
Excellent.
Prachi's umbrella is shining. Prachi,
Yes, sir.